Alright guys, welcome back. So this is one of the kinds of packagings that I'm not a big fan of, and it's because all the stuff is like sort of stuck in there with tape and stuff, so it's hard to get out. This is okay. I was able to get that out pretty easily, and this won't be. I'm going to need some scissors or something to get this out. Or if not, maybe I can just pull on it, but I'm going to have to break the box, which I don't usually like to do. Wow, this is tough stuff. I'm going to try with a knife. Hopefully I don't cut off my hands. There'll be one bit there. That's why I don't particularly like this packaging, but bear with me. Alright, so the remote came out. Okay, one last bit here, which is this, but again, I really don't want to destroy this packaging.